Hello students, today we are going to discuss binary operation. Now, what is binary operation? Binary means two and operation means any activity. So operations, we used to encounter this word in daily life also, like doctors do operation, army person do operation. So similarly in mathematics there are also operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And if we consider operation, then it is not wrong saying that operation means special function, because in operation also some value, in operation also every value of one set is associated with some value of another set. For example, if we take the case of natural number addition, now whenever we add two numbers we get a natural number. So that means every natural numbers can be associated with some another natural number uniquely. So that means conditions of function are being followed in operation also. So that is why we call this as special function. Now what is specialty in operation? So to understand this, if I ask you that minimum how many numbers we can add, so answer is obviously 2, like 2 plus 3 is 5. And when I say maximum how many numbers we can add, so answer is, sometimes students say answer is infinite number. That means we can add any number, 3, 4, 5. That means if I add 2, 3, 4, answer is 9. But my question is, if we can add more than 3 numbers, then what is the answer of this? Now obviously when you are going to add them, so you will add first this to this and then resulting sum will be added to this number. So my point is, we can't add more than 2 numbers. When we are asked to add 2, 3, 4, the calculation was simple and we thought we added 3 numbers. But actually what we did, we added 2 to 3, result was 5, and then we added 5 into 5 in the 4, then result is 9. So whether you are adding 10 numbers or 20 numbers, you are adding 2 numbers at a time basically, then you are going to third. So minimum and maximum we can add 2 numbers only. Now when we add 2 numbers, then is answer unique? Answer is yes. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now some students say, sir, 4 plus 1 is also 5. So my question is that it's okay, 5 is result of 2 pairs, but that is allowed in function. For example, in function 2 or more numbers may have same image. Objectionable point would be that, like if I am adding 2 and 3 and I am getting 5 as well as 6, but this is not happen. So that is why the only result is unique answer. So that means we can add minimum and maximum 2 number and result is a single number. So from here the definition of binary operation, it states that a binary operation is a special function defined from a cross a to a. A cross a to a means, when I say a normal function is from a to b and we say f of x is equal to y, that means I put a value from this set a and I get value of this set, value of an element from this set, say y. I put x, I get y. But in binary operation I put 2 elements at a time, like f of x comma y, and I get a single answer. That means domain must be a cross product, so that paired element should be picked from domain, but the answer is single element. So its domain is a cross a to a. This is the difference between binary operation or any other function. Now if I have to check whether a function is binary operation or not, then I have to check 3 points. I am writing briefly. First point is every, second point unique, and third point same set A. So if I elaborate, two conditions are from function, because every element of one set must be mapped with some element of another set uniquely. So every member should be mapped, uniquely mapped, and the answer must be the part of same set on which binary operation is defined. Let us understand this with example. So we are picking our basic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we are checking all these 4 operation on natural number, then integers, then rational number, and then real numbers. Now addition is binary operation on natural number. How? Because every 2 natural number can be added. This is okay. No natural number is giving any problem when being added. Answer is unique. Again, this is okay. 2 plus 3 is 5, not 5 and 6 both. So it is unique. And answer is natural number. That means if we add 2 natural number, answer is natural number. So that means it's okay. Natural number is binary operation on addition is binary operation on natural number. Then subtraction. Now every 2 natural numbers can be subtracted. So first point is okay. Answer is unique, that is also okay, but answer is not natural number every time. How? 2 and 3, if I subtract 3 from 2, answer is -1, which is not natural number, so it is not binary operation. Then multiplication is binary operation. Reason is same. Every 2 natural numbers can be multiplied, result is unique, and result is also a natural number. Then division, every 2 natural numbers can be divided, result is unique, but again like subtraction, we can say 2 is divided by 3, so that is not a natural number. Now second set, integers. On integer, again addition is binary operation like natural number, no problem. Subtraction is binary operation. This time subtraction is binary operation, because this issue of negative number is resolved because integers contain negative number. So when 2 integers are subtracted, so you will always get integers, so no problem. Multiplication is again binary operation, because any 2 integers can be multiplied, result is unique, and result is integer. But division is not binary operation. Reason, again 2 is divided by 3, so result is not integer. Moreover, one more problem is there in division, that this concept, this point is also not satisfied. Why? Because 0 is the part of A, but you can't divide any element with 0. So we can't say that every element of integers can be operated with under division. So 2 problems are there in case of division in integer. So next is rational number. Addition is again binary operation in rational number, no problem. Subtraction is also binary operation in rational number, no problem. Same multiplication is binary operation in rational number, but division again not binary operation. Why? Because same reason, I can't operate 0 with any number in the denominator, so 2 upon 0 is not defined, so it is not binary operation. Last, real number. On real number, again addition is binary operation, subtraction is binary operation, product multiplication is binary operation, but division due to 0 is not binary operation. So one thing comes in our mind, that is division binary operation or not? So answer is yes, it is binary operation, but where r minus singleton 0 to r minus singleton 0, r minus singleton 0 cross r minus singleton 0 to r minus singleton 0. So it is binary operation here. So then sometimes students ask that, sir, we can get answer 0 sometime like this, but as in codomain there is no 0. So then my answer is, we always get answer 0 when we put 0 in numerator, and in domain also there is no 0. So obviously in codomain you can't get 0, first thing. And second thing, we get 0 upon 1 is equal to 0. This is algebraic operation. But when we involve operation in calculus, then we define their sets also. So in calculus, division is defined from r minus singleton 0 cross r minus singleton 0 to r minus singleton 0. So this was brief introduction of binary operation. So that's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.